There is two really major definitions of solar panels on the market. One would be monocrystalline and polycrystalline. Polycrystalline is generally a cheaper solar panel. The reason is kind of due to its performance. When the low temperatures in Ireland come, the voltage actually shoots up and it affects its performance, and it's just got to do with the DNA of the polycrystalline silicone. Mono is much better, it's much balanced across temperatures, and it works a lot better with Ireland's climate. Our climate in Ireland is, we can get 30 degrees in summertime, but we can also get -5 and 6 in the winter. So that's the reason that monocrystalline would perform much better in Ireland's climate. The panels that we install at the moment are called Qcell solar panels, which are probably, they got best performing panel in Europe 5 years in a row. And the reason that we did choose them is because of their consistency. They're one of the few only solar panel manufacturers that actually manufacture their own cells. They don't put it out for tender in the market, so they can actually retain control of the quality of the solar panel and its consistency. I suppose the strongest part of a solar PV system is the performance of the actual solar panels. Up till maybe about a year ago, the warranties that you were getting was a material warranty of 15 years and a performance warranty of 25. But all the newer panels at the higher end of the market now have a 30-year performance warranty and a 30-year material warranty. I believe that the performance warranty is actually guaranteeing 86% of the overall performance after 30 years.